Hey, my algebras, let's look at how to write a rule, which we also know is called a function. To write the rule, we first need some data, and then we look for a pattern. I can see how the change in y is going up by 4 every time. When I add 4 consecutively, that's the same thing as multiplying. Let me say that again. Repeated addition is multiplication. So that I know I'm multiplying the x value by 4. But wait, how do I get to 3? I look at what I have to do to 4 times 1 to either add or subtract to get to 3. Obviously, I subtract 1. We write this as y equals 4x minus 1 because the function of x is to produce a y, or we call f of x equals 4x minus 1. We could also solve what if x was 100, or f of 100 would be 4 times 100, because it's the x value, minus 1, which means it will be 399. Yep, you're right. This is the first rule for crossing the river. Let's look at it again. What pattern do you see here? You're right. We're adding 2 every time. Because we're adding 2 consecutively, it means we're multiplying by 2. So 2 times 1, and what do I do to get to 5? Well, I add 3. So then I know it has to be 2 times the x value plus 3. And then I check it on the next one. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 3 is 7. So I know I'm right. So my function, f of x, which is y, because the function of x is to get us a y, equals 2x plus 3. What happens when we want to solve for f of 45, or when x is 45? Well, we plug it in for the x value, and we'd find that the y value, or the output, is 93. Try this one. You can pause the video and then see how you do. That's right, we're adding 5 consecutively. So we must be multiplying by 5, which shows we have to also subtract 1. So 5 times x minus 1 equals y, or f of x equals 5x minus 1. We'll check another one. If we plug it into 2, if x is 2, if I do 5 times 2, that's 10. If I subtract 1, I get 9. So that's correct. So f of x is 5x minus 1. Can we find when f of x is 50? What happens when x is 50? Well, this is the beautiful thing about a function. I don't need to make a table all the way to 50. I can just plug it in to the function. And I see that it's 249. Or when x is 50, y would be 249. You try. Pause the video here and then check your solution. Did you get 2x plus 4? And then when you said when x is 60, y is 124? All right, tomorrow is our projects presented in class. See you soon.